IoT has made factories smarter. Smarter machines generate data. Data that you can use to streamline production processes or offer new services to your customer. But what if someone tries to steal that data? In the wrong hands, that same data can be used to alter the functionality or even allow remote control of your machines. To avoid these threats, you need data and connections that are secure. PrimeKey offers products and solutions for the connected factory. Our solutions enable strong security mechanisms like secure software distribution and transmission of data. With more than 10 billion devices, PrimeKey knows what it takes to implement and manage security, no matter for greenfield or brownfield. We enable security through trust. PrimeKey, securing the connected factory.